Good morning everyone. Our vlog for today is to take a bath our plants. Pag kayo ay mag-garden ng succulent, um, hindi biro guys. Nakita nyo naman, kailangan ibaba sila lahat. Ibababa natin lahat, maliit man o malaki. So ayan, naibaba na natin. At ito namang side ay lilinisan natin. Kasi ayaw ng succulent na ano ang kanilang kinalalagyan, madumi. So once a month or twice kailangan ko linisin ito guys. Ayan, wawalisan natin para naman sa ganun malinis ang kinalalagyan ng ating plants. Ganyan. At ilalagay natin agad dyan sa basurahan. Yan. So ngayon, nawala ng debris, atin namang aanuhan ng tubig para luminis ng maayos. Gaganyan na natin. Kailangan malinis sila. Ayan. Diba? Tapos brabrasin natin a bit para naman luminis konti. Nung dumating ako guys dito sa bahay ni husband, ay walang ka-green-green dito sa palibot. Walang plants, walang paso. So sabi ko ay, hintay ka lang. At pupunuin kita ng halaman na gusto ko. Ayan, napuno nga. Mayroon pa naman space. Ayan, brabrasin natin yan. Kasi ayaw ng succulent ng madumi. Pinalalagyan. So ayan, diba? Madali lang maglinis. So ayan, malinis na. So ating didiligan na doon. So ngayon didiligan natin sila ng maayos na pagdilig. Ito once a week ko lang sila diligan, pero basang-basa. Yun ang sinasabi na bone dry. Tutuyuin nyo muna bago sila diligan. Tutuyuin nyo ang lupa. Let's say, for example, nadiligan ko to ngayon. Iantayin ko ulit matuyo ang kanilang lupa. Mga like 3 weeks, and then later didiligan ko na naman. Ganyan ang gusto nila. Ayaw nila ng laging babad sa lupa ang kanilang ugat. They doesn't like always soak in the wet soil. They need a bone dry the soil in the pot before you put water. Yes. This one is my cotyledon. When I buy that one, it seems like 5 leaves, $50. That's why I'm avoiding to give away this one because a bit expensive and I make it grow more. So maybe I give it away when it's very big after. I'm not selfish for my plants actually, because the more you give it away, the more grow. Yeah. But some of my plants is buy from online, so the expensive ones I'm not giving away. I need to profit at least for my water and soil. So look at that. are very, very, very happy. Anyway, so far they are beautiful now. Yeah, we put our, this one is Burro's tail. They like wet. Our Burro's tail. And this one, Angel of Tears. Angel of Tears. See? Anyway, that's our vlog for today. So make healthier our plant. This one, my bear paw. This one, I think it's 3 years old. I repot to bigger pots so they can grow more. That is for now our vlog. Bye bye.